Howdy, partner. Town Sheriff here, laying down the law on the 15-minute frontier of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In these parts, it's best to be ready for opportunity and keep your stops planted firm. Here's the rundown. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area. High. VAH. 6,936. Behaving like a high ridge where outlaws wait in ambush. If price pushes through, it is riding into the sunset. Value area low. VAL. 6,917. A dusty corral where the herd is currently being held. A breach signals a stampede back to the dry plains. Point of control. POC. 6,923. The town saloon where most of the trade wildlife congregated over the current session. Support zone. 6,911 to 6,917. A fortified ranch where strong bids live to defend the territory. Resistance zone. 6,936 to 6,940. Like a rocky bluff, hard to scale without a massive posse of buyers. Single prints. Escape paths. Lower. 6,898 to 6,915. An abandoned trail seldom visited. Ripe for responsive entries if the market overextends. Upper. 6,938 to 6,940. A narrow mountain pass. If the price darts through, follow the momentum. Market context. Today's trail looks like a slow trek across the mesa. Price has meandered between 6,898 and 6,939, with a clear recovery after the previous day's quiet camp. The sharp rise in CVD suggests a powerful posse of buyers is driving the wagon train higher, though they are currently pausing for water at the 6923 saloon. It is a balancing frontier with bullish undertones. 3-day march through the territory. Day 3, December 31st. POC 6,926. High 6,952. Low 6,890. The market was wilder than a bucking bronco. Day 2, January 1st. POC 6,902. High 6,905. Low 6,897. A sleepy day in the desert with almost no movement. Day 1, January 2nd. POC 6,923. High 6,939. Low 6,898. The bulls reclaimed the main trail and established a new base. Value moved up from day 2 to day 1, approaching the old highs of day 3. Acceptance above VAH would crown a successful expedition. Failure back through VAL invites a retreat to the lower canyons. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD, breakdown. Session open, CVD, negative 58 contracts. Our day began with a few outlaws trying to steal the horses. Intraday peak. Buying, CVD climbed to 23,141. A massive rally from the town sheriff and his deputies. Current CVD, 20,374. Net 20,432 from open, meaning buyers have maintained a strong grip on the reins throughout the day. Intraday low, CVD, low, negative 715. A brief moment of doubt at the start of the trek. Interpretation. Aggressive buy-side delta dominates the session. Any attempt to drive the market lower will need a much larger gang of sellers to succeed. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, near VAL, 6,911 to 6,917. Stop loss, below the single print floor at approximately 6,907, 4 ticks below the corral, or use average true range, ATR, approximately 8 points below entry. Profit target, initial target at POC, 6,923. Major target at VAH, 6,936. Short trades, entry zone, on rejection of VAH, 6,936 to 6,940, or breakdown through VAL. Stop loss, above the high ridge at approximately 6,941, or ATR above entry. Profit target, POC for first partial, then VAL. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after first target. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above VAH. The posse breaks through the high ridge at 6,936 and clears the mountain pass. Setup, enter long above 6,936 with stop at 6,923 POC. Target 6,950 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B, rejection at VAH. Outlaws at the ridge. Fire back and price falls from the peak. Setup, short on first failure off VAH. Stop above 6,941. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C, failure at VAL. The town entrance at 6,917 is overrun by a stampede. Setup, short a break below 6,917. Stop above 6,925. Recent swing high. Target 6,900 single print area. Scenario D, value bounce. Bulls defend the corral and price heads back to the saloon. Setup, long at 6,917. Stop at 6,907. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.